Hi, and welcome to Conga. This video is going to review the Conga Community, which is the go-to resource hub for all Conga customers. Begin by navigating to community.conga.com. This will take you to the community login page. If you're not yet a user, click Sign Up to enter your details so that an account can be created for you. If you already have credentials, enter them here and click Continue. Once logged in, you'll be routed to the community homepage. Here, the first thing you will likely notice is the dynamic revolving banner toward the top. This will highlight any new or upcoming information from Conga. If you scroll down, you will also see multiple links to other resources within the community. Note that there are many ways to navigate through the information here, but for the purposes of this demo, I will walk through the tabs at the top of the page. Starting with the Get Started tab, we first have the New Customer Checklist. This page is oriented towards new users and provides a checklist to set you up for success as you begin the onboarding process. On this page are also quick links to implementation information, onboarding, and support resources. At the bottom of the page, we also have installation videos for our products. If you scroll back up, you'll also see your community user profile, as well as the community admins from your team. There's also a provided customer success contact so that you always have someone to reach out to at Conga. Moving on, we next have the Install Center. If you're a community admin, you will have access to this page where you can install or upgrade any of your packages that you've purchased. Note that our products that are available through the Salesforce App Exchange are linked at the bottom, along with documentation and installation information. Next, I want to highlight the Professional Services dropdown. Conga Professional Services can be utilized in a number of ways, including implementations, enhancement projects, and upgrades. The resources here will help you prepare for any upcoming projects in which you will be utilizing Conga Professional Services. The next tab is our Collaborate tab. The first dropdown here are the Conga user groups. Conga more recently launched user groups for each of our Conga products, and it's easier than ever to collaborate with peers, ask questions, and connect with Conga experts to gain product knowledge. To join a group, find your product of choice, and then you'll utilize the Join Group button. This is a great way to stay up to date on any upcoming user group webinars and receive important information relating to your product, as well as ask and answer questions from your peers. Additionally, under the Collaborate tab, there's also a feature request page. This is where you can come to share your ideas on product enhancements and vote for features you would like to see in the future. Each request goes through a review cycle, and the request status is noted with the stage it's in right under the title of the request. For more information on the stages that this goes through, check out the lifecycle of an idea documentation. Next, we can take a look at the Learn tab. This is where you can access our Conga Learning Center. Within the Learning Center is free getting started training on each of our products. Additionally, we also have a premium version of our Learning Center, which we call the Conga Learning Pass, as well as instructor-led trainings. Both of these options come at an additional cost, but with many benefits. If you're interested in learning more, you can select the I'm Interested button, and a Conga team member will get in contact with you. You can also take a brief tour of the Conga Learning Center via the video toward the bottom of the page. To go ahead and get logged into the Conga Learning Center, click the red Login button to start learning. Next, we also have a page dedicated to Conga webinars. You'll see onboarding events, expert-led webinar groups. Each of these are color-coded on the calendar. To see more info and register, just click on the event that you are interested in. You can also find webinar replays available in the Conga Learning Center. Under the Learn tab, we also have the Conga Insider blog. This is a great place to get news, insights, and guidance based on customer stories and Conga expertise. You'll see the most recent post highlighted at the top. but you also have the ability to click through previous blog posts toward the bottom of the page. Lastly, under the Learn tab, we have a landing page dedicated to Conga's new cloud-based platform. This will host all of the most up-to-date information on the path to platform. If you haven't already, check out the keynotes from Conga Connect that share the vision and benefits of the Conga platform. Moving on to the product info tab, we will always have release notes for supported versions of our Conga products, as well as a link to the release calendar to help you stay on top of upcoming releases and release notes. Further, if you're a CLM or CPQ customer, we have a Conga upgrade landing page where you can explore the methods for upgrading and register to receive automatic upgrade deployments via the upgrade program if you're interested. This will be one-stop shop for all CLM and CPQ upgrade information and planning. Next, we have the Conga product documentation page. The easiest way to navigate through this documentation is to first select your product of choice. Within each product, we'll have some popular topics linked, as well as release notes, notes that are oriented towards administrators, and those oriented towards end users. You also have the ability to search through the documentation with the search bar at the top of the page. By searching topics here, it will highlight any of the relevant documentation related to that topic. Hopping back into the community, I'll also note that we now have a security and compliance documentation page available for you to review. To round out this community tour, we'll land on the support tab. As a community admin, you'll have the ability to create and manage technical support cases from here. Just scroll down and select the Open a Case tile. You will need to input the area of support that you're looking for and any needed information. And once you submit, it will be routed off to the correct resource to address your issue. Lastly, you can also check the system status page from here with this red button on the right-hand side. This is where you can check for any known outages or planned maintenance, and we highly suggest subscribing to this page so that you'll get notified of any outages or maintenances that are upcoming. You'll also get updates on the progress of fixes or planned end times for maintenance. We've now made it through the entire community tour, so it's your turn to check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to your Conga point of contact or email community@conga.com.